So what I ask Pum to do is just to go down a little bit and then to push. And that way she can keep control of the elbow in the middle of the range, not go all the way to the end of the range, not go too deep to start with. So just a small bend and pushing back. And as you can see the arms start to shake, it's a sign that she is fatiguing a little bit. Little bend and then back. So come forward, little bend. Yes, first bend and then back. You want more? The first bend and then back. Good. One more. First bending the arm and then back. Good. Just one more. Good. So Mu also needs to keep those elbows in, not to come out to the side. Excellent. Keep going. The important thing here is not to circumduct the hip. So when you step, you twist fully so you can step straight. Yeah? As opposed to from here stepping around like that. Yeah? This we call circumduction. So instead we want to turn the feet first so you can step very straight. One more to the left and then step back. Excellent. And walking there. To start with then, hands behind the back, feet together. Step out with the left foot, not too wide, just the same as elephant. And then bend the knees, lift the bum back. Left foot to the right, forward. Right foot to the left, forward. Lean and turn the back foot. Stay there. Good. So you can see here, open. Yeah? We don't want this knee to drop in. That's going to cause some damage to the knee. So we keep the knee open. And then the body turn to face, as much as possible, turn to face the front here. Yeah, so the leg is back, body is forward. Excellent. Body is forward, leg is back. You can see the knee dropping in, so keep that out as much as you can. Again, left, right, forward. Left, right, forward. Turn, bend, step, behind, kick, and then place. Just like you're going to go into the elephant, the same distance. Good. Now we're going to add the arms. Here. Looking up at the hands. Then, fingers down, thumbs on top, so two fists. Join to the chest, down, into elephant. Then, two hands come onto the hip, here. As they come, we bring the foot across, forward. One. So here we cross the arm together. And then open. Behind, in front. Just once more, this movement. So the hands, they come to here, then they cross, and like breaststroke, you open, behind, and then they come in front. So it's here. Here. Good, so thanks for your attention, thanks for your time. From me, Nalekanam. And we'll see you again. And we'll see you again in the next class.